Hello, everyone. My name is Jacqueline Rodriguez, and today I am going to talk about my professional plans and goals for the future. Currently, I work as a warehouse supervisor, and this experience has helped me develop important skills such as leadership, organization, and teamwork. My goal is to continue growing professionally and become a successful logistic manager in the future. By the end of the next few years, I will have completed my university studies and I will have developed stronger leadership skills. I will also have gained more experience managing teams and improving workflows processes. In the future, I will be working on new projects that will help me increase my knowledge in logistics and administration. I will be learning new strategies, improving my English communication skills, and participation in training programs to become a vital professional. By that time, I will have achieved many of my career goals and I will have built a solid professional path. I hope to is my inspiration to help companies improve their operation and create better work environments or else have a personal goal of creating and better future for my family who I am developing my career. I will be balancing my professional responsibilities with my professional goals. I believe that success requires discipline, commitment, and continuous learning. If I continue with working, yeah, I will have become the professional and leader that what to be sang in for saying.